In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up a Wi-Fi extender with your router. If you happen to have an additional router available, you can repurpose it as a Wi-Fi repeater to enhance your home or office's wireless signal. For optimal performance, it is recommended to position it in close proximity to the primary router, ensuring an effective signal boost. To begin, connect the power supply adapter to the second router and plug it into an electrical outlet. Connect your computer to the Wi-Fi network broadcasted by the router. Open the Wi-Fi network settings on your device, whether it's a desktop or laptop, and search for available networks. From the list of available networks, select the appropriate Wi-Fi name that corresponds to your router. To access the router settings page, open your web browser and enter either tendawifi.com or 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. Press enter to proceed. If your router has the default settings, you should be able to log in without a password. Once you have accessed the router settings page, navigate to the wireless repeating section. Look for the option labeled Universal Repeater and select it. Then, choose the signal source that you want to amplify or extend. Enter the password for the wireless signal that you wish to extend. This is typically the password associated with the source Wi-Fi network you want to boost. After entering the password, click on the Connect button. The router will restart to apply the changes. Wait for the restart process to complete. Once the router has restarted, use the tendawifi.com address to log back into the router settings page. Check the network status, which should display connection success. This indicates that the repeater is now connected to the source network, and you should be able to enjoy extended Wi-Fi coverage and access the internet through the repeater. For more computer tips and coding tutorials, like, share and subscribe to this channel.